Kiddo Nuts, where curiosity tastes so sweet.
Hey friends, I'm so excited to explore the world of hair with you today. Have you ever noticed how your hair keeps growing and growing? Wow, that's so cool. Let's learn about why that happens. Did you know that our hair grows from tiny holes in our skin called follicles? Can you say follicles with me? Great job. Inside these follicles, our body has special tiny cells called papilla. They're like little hair-making factories. The papilla keeps making new hair, pushing the old hair out. That's why our hair gets longer and longer. And guess what? Your hair grows all the time, even when you're sleeping. Isn't that amazing? Now let's count together how many hairs we can see on our heads. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there are so many.
Thank you for watching Kiddo Nuts. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such lazy content.